Okay, hello. Hello. I I think we are live already. Just 1 second. We will check the sound and picture because I get some latency. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this stream. I see that we have some viewers, and also we have in our live room we have the guest. I hope that we will get more visitors, and also a lot of people asked us about the recording. So I assume a lot of people will see this stream in the recording. Okay, the sound is good. Let's proceed. So, my name is Lena Dragenskaya, and I'm the co-founder of Unschooler. I responsible for the communication, for the coding as well. I'm writing the code. Also, I think you might see me in the comments on AppSumo in different community. And also, I have my teammates who help with the code, with the development process, with marketing. Our team is pretty small, it's only 4 people. We are based in Poland, in Krakow, and our company is established in Estonia. So today I will show some important things in our tool. And when I will explain something, I will point it out into the things that is not is not obvious. And we got a lot of questions about different topics, and these questions often repeated. And so this is why I will maybe stop on some things that I think are really important to understand, so that you will not confused in the future. So let's start from the. Okay, thank you, Mark Rodriguez. Right now we have 2 guests in our room, in our live room. So we will start from the main interface of Unschooler and overall explanation of how it works. So we have unschooler.me platform where all your courses that you will create in the future, they will placed in here. For all plans, for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, premium, and all other plans. This is like archive of your courses. The more you will create, the more you will see on this page, on the page dedicated to the online courses. Also, we have additional feature called schools. A lot of people asked us about the feature that allow them to publish these courses on own web page, own brand name, so that it will be not connected to the Unschooler, but connected to own brand name. That is why we introduced white labeled schools. So this is not the equal. Unschooler platform, this is a standalone platform where you can create courses, where you can set up your profile, where you can chat with us in help chat. Also, you can read some guides here. But this is the platform overall where you can create your account and run all of your things related to the account itself. However, all other things, creation courses, communicating with students, inviting students, you will run in your schools if you have this feature in your plan. This feature is available in tier 3 only, and starting from Pro plan in our own plans. We have Pro plan and Unlimited, also, University plan that includes this feature, these schools. You can create up to 10 schools, and when you create them, you will see this thumbnail of the school with some explanation. We will add more information so that you understand what members were invited here in this school, and also some guide here. Okay, let's proceed with, maybe you have questions. I will repeat. You can raise the hand, and I will make maybe small pause after each part, so that I will be able to read questions in the live chat. Hello, Craig. Thank you for doing things. Yes, thank you for attending. So let's try to create a course. And the main differentiator of our platform is that you can add multiple sources. So let's create something about leadership. Just 1 second, I will check our live room if I have questions. Okay, so Mark, yes, Mark introduced yourself. Thank you so much, Mark. So let's create a course about leadership, fundamentals. And we will attach to a PDF, which I prepared before our call. So this will be this one. It is like medium size. It's not the short, but not too long. We allow to upload up to 100 pages PDF. So you can upload several. In my case, I can upload 2. And here we go. I have 3 PDF. The one file was divided by 2 parts, and I will generate a course. So I guess this is a pretty simple part, and I assume that you already tried this, how it works. Things that I need to emphasize that you can click on the generate your course plan anytime, and it doesn't influence your course counter. You can regenerate if you don't like it, and your course counter will be okay. It will be not spending after you're clicking this button. Only when you create your course, we count this course as a created, and then you will start generating it. Right now, this is okay. It's based on the files that I propose, and every time I will get the new topics, the new lessons inside each module, and I can specify here. Maybe I provide specific curriculum so that AI will follow my understanding what it should include. Okay, so I get the skeleton, it's empty. And as you maybe know, we have 2 way to generate course, generate all content with 1 click button. I need to emphasize that sometimes, because of we have a lot of modules and a lot of lessons inside each module, AI can drop the error. And sometimes the generation stop at some module. For instance, you get 3-4 modules generated. You can check it by reloading page after 15 minutes because it takes some time. And if you see that it's already 20 minutes and the only 3 or 4 modules was generated, you can click this button again, and it will proceed to generating other modules. It will not regenerate the existing ones. So you don't afraid to miss your content. It will skip information that was regenerated and generate the only empty things. We will generate 1 module manually. The principle is simple. When we visit empty page, it start generating automatically. So if you, for instance, get some result and you do not satisfy, or maybe you understand that this is the wrong audience or wrong wording, or this is not about the country you expected to get the content, so you can delete this in the edit mode. I will show you when generating. You can delete all content and visit this page, visit this empty page again. It will start generating again. So you can push AI regenerate by deleting the content that you don't like, and visit the empty page. So we get information here, and as you I assume you know that we have editor, and you can edit everything here. We will improve this UX of this editor because it's not really convenient, especially this scrolls when this part is scrolling up, and I lose the focus. We will fix it in the next months. We have the special task to improve this. Thing that I would love to show you is that I can add more content after the generating. Let's assume I generate the whole course. I have all of these lessons and modules, and now I want to add something. Maybe several months ago, I share this course, get some feedback, and I need to add more modules and more lessons. Let's try to create, and I will improve our help, because our help is the same course. So I will go to the edit of my course. We have two way to navigate to the edit mode. I will emphasize again. This is the button edit on each module page, and also in the course landing page, we call this course landing page, we also have the edit button. So let's come back to our help, and I will create the custom domain for you. I will delete this because I tried to before our call. So it will be the how to set up custom domain for email. In your school, you can set up your custom domain, as I mentioned before, and also you can set up a custom domain for email. And this is really important to set up custom domain for email, because if you do not do this, all notifications about reset password for your students, any verifications, any other notifications that we will implement in the future, and we will do this. All of them will sending from the unschooler.me domain. So you need to add this custom domain for email as well. I will right now drop here the source. I actually okay, so this is lesson prompt, so I will put it here. I just dictate this information into the ChatGPT with voice. I didn't even check the spelling, so I just dictate the how it works, how it should work, and now I will generate the guide of how to set up custom domain. So I save changes for this without any formatting. I just put this information in the prompt, and I will go to the lesson right here. By the way, I see here information about the students, about people who enroll in the Unschooler guides, their questions, and based on these questions, we improve our guides again and again. And here we go. I get the step-by-step guide. So it not only provides the guide, but also it provides some examples, some steps. Also, it explains what does it mean DNS settings, DNS provider, and pretty correct examples of schools. For instance, in this case, you might connect not only custom domain like mybrand.com, but also school1 mybrand.com. And the frequent question how to connect custom email in this case. So you can connect support school1 mybrand.com, and also you can connect only support mybrand.com. It is possible to connect for the custom domain email and for the subdomain email. In this case, you will need to verify each subdomain. It can be a bit time consuming. So this option is much more fast, because you verify your domain in email one time. I will show you in the settings how it looks like. In settings, it looks like this. You provide your domain. For instance, this is my main domain, unschooler.pro, but also I can provide here learn.unschooler.pro, also my email, and these DNS records are unique. It's not the same that custom domain. It's more. It's a different service. So you also add these records to the DNS provider, and you will connect your email. So this is how it works to generate something from a raw explanation, and you get the new lesson. Also, as soon as I have some screenshots, I can check. I can add my images here. I will add them. This is the step 1 when we specify our domain. This is the step 2 when we add our email. Okay, the step 3 when the verification is started. This one. And the 4th picture, this one. Okay. Got it. So I get the new guide. I need to reread. I will not do this right now, but I need to delete something because I guess it's maybe too much content. So I will delete something here. But it's okay. Just providing the something from my voice, from the dictation, it's pretty good. And one more thing I want to show you today. Pretty interesting. I think AI videos main features. I will create. No. It's not. Sorry, it's not the lesson. It's a module. So AI video main features. So I will show you how to create AI video based on your script. Because right now, when you visit the empty page for just generating all content, it's generate script from AI brain or from your source, and then you get the scenes. But let's assume you have pretty specific script and you do not want you do not want to get something from AI. Random some explanations. Right now, I have proofreaded a script that I want to force AI to use in the AI video. This is a description of how our AI videos works on our platform, and there are 4 parts. Let's generate them. So when I visit the module with the description, it is not started generating because it's not empty. As I mentioned before, when we see the empty module, we start generating. But as soon as it's not an empty, it's not started generating. And I will generate the video with my voice. Lena test. This is my voice. I uploaded it before. And I will start generating this video, and it will take this description. It will not take something from AI. It will take it and convert into the AI video. One word I want to tell about the custom voice. We have the possibility of custom voice, but on our AppSumo deals, we do not advertise it because this option is not included in any plans because it's expensive. 11 Labs, and we are using the best possible model, multilingual version 2. It is pretty expensive, but it's really good. So I can generate for my guides because I'm not native speaker and I can make grammar mistakes, and sometimes I'm just hesitating to record something because of my grammar. So I can generate something in English, in good with I predefined the accent. I selected British accent, and it generates with good pronunciation, with correct words. So I'm really happy to have this possibility. And here we have the explanation of editing videos, also about generating AI videos from custom script. This is what I right now explain. Automatic AI generation and downloading videos as MP4 and receiving the downloaded videos. Actually, this scene is not relevant. Let's delete this. I don't like it. It's not necessary for us. And let's change the images because this is AI, but I have the pretty specific screenshot. So I will upload my own screenshot here. This is the first one. Here we go. Oh no, this is the cover. I don't like it because it's it trimmed. So I will select this page. These images are static, and they are not animated. Yes, like this. So this is better. Also here I can select any other voice and regenerate script. Also I can provide, change the script. For instance, I don't like the narration here. I can rewrite it, put it here, select the voice and regenerate. Okay, and here I also delete this image. It was about generated videos from custom script, and let me check. Yes, we will select this image. So I can make it pretty close to my understanding, not from the AI understanding how it should work. I will check right now our questions. Let me check. 1 second. Okay, we have some question from Craig. I just read. I also full stacked on AppSumo and we meet Elena is session. Yes, and is there a limit to how many documents we can upload for a course? So how many documents we can upload for a course? It depends on the length of these documents. If I have PDF 100 pages, I can upload only one PDF, and this is actually it makes sense because if let's assume we can upload 100 different documents, we do not in this case get the information from this document because there is so many information and we miss some important ideas. That is why we have the limit in 30,000 characters for each module, because it's not possible to provide, if you provide more, it's not possible to provide something relevant to this information. It will be so many characters, so many information, and we'll lose some data. And also, if it's small, for instance, the one PDF, just one file, so I can upload up to 6 files, up to 6 MP4 videos, up to 6 MP3 videos. This is on the initial stage. Later, I will create new module and upload the new 7, 4th, 8th file, the next for the next module. It will be additional file, so it's not the strict limit. It's just strict for initial curriculum generation. Also, I will open maybe interface to make it more close to the interface. Also, I recommend sometimes if you have a lot of files and you, for instance, you have 15 modules and you need these 15 files because you have 15 MP4 videos or MP3 recording. So I would recommend to not upload these files at all here. Just provide the curriculum of these 15 modules. Get this curriculum, for instance, like this. Get this curriculum, and then for each module, before generation, upload your file. Upload for each module. Upload, it will be like 15. It's okay. For each module of this 15, you will upload file. Let me show you, because this course has already a source. Let's select something from here. Yes, we do not hear the source, and here I can source field is empty, and I can upload here PDF. It will be like, for instance, this one. It also parsed. I need to save it so that it summarizes it. And here we go, I get source. And by the way, I get also the summary. If we get a lot of information here, we also get some summary to help AI understand overall what is the topic, so that it not miss something while it reads the initial part. So maybe this workflow is better if you have more than 6, more than 7 files. It would be better to add them in each module. Okay, let's come back and read the next question. What is the ideal length of parts of of course for Unschooler. To be honest, if we have full weights 10 lessons in each module, it works a bit slower. We will improve it right now, but ideal for performance and actually for understanding, because it's pretty hard to read all of this long text again and again and again. I need to do quiz. I need to stop in some practical task. I need to maybe check my knowledge with some just interactive things. So it would be better to have 5, 6, 7 lessons and two quizzes or practical tasks, or quizzes plus practical tasks in each lesson. I will show you the example, because it's just from the educational perspective, not from the perspective of possibility as a platform, but from the possibility of learn this and engage with this. It would be better, maybe this one I show you. Not the better one. Yes, I have the one quiz here, but it would be better to have more. By the way, regarding to the quiz, we have a lot of questions, and I need to emphasize. Right now, you can create a quiz question as a single lesson. And a lot of people want to have not the single one question, but series of questions at the end of the module. And this is what we are going to make. We are going to add the specific type of lessons with multiple questions, where students will see not only one single question, but several and different types: single question, multiple selection choice, and other types of form of questions. Okay, let's proceed. What is the cost of custom voice? I will open this. I will open in our guide. We have the table with explanation. For the video, it doesn't cost much, actually. And by the way, the cost of custom voice is the same as 11 Lab voice. We didn't notice any difference. So you can use in 11 Lab voice, for instance, this one, Thomas. By the way, this flag means the accent. And for instance, George with British accent. And also I can select my custom voice, and the cost will be the same. So for the voice in video, in this interactive video, it takes around it takes around 8, 10, 11 credits. So if you, for instance, the smallest package is 500 credits, so you can generate how to count. Okay, so 50 videos. It's good enough for several courses. For the audio narration, in each step we have this possibility to generate audio narration. This is also expensive, and we provide for AI credits. So for 11 labs, it become really expensive. I wouldn't recommend from the beginning, because it takes 40, 50 credits, which means that with small package you get 10 pages. 10 pages with custom voice. We have such customers that want to have only their own custom voice. It's okay, but if you want to just have the audio narration and doesn't matter which voice to select, I would recommend to select OpenAI voice. It's 10 times less. It takes only, let me check, yes, 2-3 credits. So it even more than 10 times. So I would recommend to start at least to OpenAI. Let me check. We have some questions. Your screen is not shared. I'm sorry. Let me check. Cannot see what you're talking about. Okay, I see. Let me check. I will stop sharing and start it again. And let me know if it start again working. I see now. Thank you. Oh, I guess pretty long time I explained something like this. Okay. Let me just 1 second. Okay. Okay, once again, I will repeat. So can you see my screen right now? I will waiting for your answer.
The Python screen?
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so let's come back. Okay, I will show you. We stop for recording. I will maybe fix this or I record this part, but right now I will show you. Yes, so related to the credits, so we have 11 lab credits. This is the part. This is the accent which shows in each voice. This is my custom voice, and here's the table. So 11 labs voice for these videos. You can see one video takes 10 credits, audio narration 11 labs for text, and I meant this possibility to generate audio for this text. This takes 30, 40, 50 sometimes credits depending on the number. It's about 10 pages, and audio narration from OpenAI 2-3 credits is pretty cheap. It's really affordable. And also I maybe show you yes, this is the possibility. This is component that generate audio narration for this lesson. So if you get credits in the future, you will see this component and you will be able to select voice. This is OpenAI's voice, this is 11 lab voice, and use it for audio. Okay, so let's come back. Can you put this pricing page in the chat? Yes, I can. I will paste it here, and also I will send to the YouTube. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed. I will show other things. Yes, related to the publishing. We will improve our interface so that it will be more obvious how to share course. Right now, a lot of people ask about, so it means that our UX is not really good. But I will show you right now just to explain. Maybe I will select empty course that I created right now. So right now I have the course, but it is not published. Let me check that you see my screen. 1 second. Yes, you see. Okay, great. So you get the content, you generate all of these things, and this is in the draft mode. How I understand this, when I go to the Publish and Sell tab, I see the draft mode is enabled. And by default, we create draft for each course. And also how to understand on the landing page. When I navigate to the landing page of the course, there is no join button. There is just a button of the editor and the publish and generate description button displayed. So I can publish it right now in the landing page. When I click on this button, it not only the published, but also if the description and cover image is empty, it generates the description, some copy, explanations, learning objectives, overview, prerequisites if it's applicable. So right now I get this image, I get the learning objectives and overview. I can edit all of these things here on the landing page. This is the first tab, and all of these things are editable. Prerequisites are empty, so I can fill in these things. Also, if we are in edit, so I will proceed. We have the drip feeding type. We can feeding our content by when student answer. Each new lesson will be able when student answer on the previous. Also, by joining date, on each first, second, third day, we can enable this lesson. Also, we can add certificate, select some things, some provides a description, save it, and we will get also the description. So about the publishing, right now, as you can see, draft is turned off. I can again make it as a draft by clicking on it, or I can also do this on this page. What is the difference? I will show you in the incognito mode. When we have the draft mode, it is available for all people by the direct link. So I can send this for my colleagues. They can revise this content. So and also this is a good option for people who don't want to have our authorization, because to join the course, student will need to create an account on Unschooler. Some people don't want to have this. They just want to share some content or specific lesson or module. So in the draft mode, it's possible. But if you want to close this from the vault, you publish this, and let's check. Right now, I will see the not a paywall because it's free course. I just see the button, join button, and I can attend to join to this course for free. If I do not provide the price, it is free. Just as simple as that. If I want to start selling it, I can provide here. I see my account is not doesn't have the Stripe payments. So if you connect your Stripe payments are connected in your profile. If you have tier 1, tier 2, up to pro account, you have this button, connect Stripe payments. And also each school has this button in the settings. If I navigate to the school settings, I also see it's absolutely the same button. It's absolutely the same option. It create connectors to my Stripe account. So our Unschooler account and your account will be connected. It will be separate account. Your account will not be under the Unschooler. They just connected, and that is why you will see all payout settings, all payment settings available for you. You will be able to set up it, change it without interaction with our brand and with our company. And one more thing that I want to show you is embedding. So let's come back to this course. Okay, reload. Okay. Okay, see. So I see. I will change the sharing settings because I share several pages, and I will select the whole screen. Yes, this will be better. So this is how it looks, how the published course looks like for the content creator, and this is how course looks like for students, for not logged in user. I see the join button, and also course creator sees this button, but without the editor functions. Related to question related to the embedding. Let me check. I didn't get. I thought that I get the question. So regarding to the embedding, for the tier 1 and tier 2, if you don't want to share the link to Unschooler, you can embed